Hello everyone, how are you? And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super easy pattern for your face mask adapter. This pattern is made of a series of incomplete half double crochet. I believe that everyone can create these patterns, including the beginners. So kindly watch this video to find out the detail of these patterns, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to offer me your support by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, now let's get started. The material I use for creating these patterns are yarns, a crochet hook number 5, 2 buttons, a tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. Well, before you start the patterns, you need to leave some centimeters yarn tails that you're going to use for on the button at the end of the project. Then make a slip knot followed by 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull off the last loop. Make first incomplete half double crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and fill up each of the remaining chain stitches with 1 incomplete half double crochet. Now grab the yarn over, pull it through first 3 loops, yarning over, pull it through 3 loops again, yarning over, pull it through 3 loops again, yarn over again, pull it through 3 loops again, yarn over again, pull it through 3 loops, yarn over again, pull it through 3 loops, then yarn over again to complete this first pattern. Okay, this is what it looks like. To make a second pattern, firstly make 3 chains, pull off the last loop, make 2 incomplete half double crochet in each of 2 chain stitches, then make 5 incomplete half double crochet in each of 5 stitches on the top of the previous half double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, this one is 5. Okay, now do yarning over and pull it through each loop for 6 times. Yarn over, pull it through first 3 loops, yarning over, pull it through 3 loops, yarn over, pull it through 3 loops again, yarn over, pull it through 3 loops, yarn over, pull it through 3 loops, yarn over, pull it through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull it through all loops to complete this second pattern. Okay, it's done now. For the third one, just like before, make 3 chain, pull off the last loop, and make 2 incomplete half double crochet in each of chain stitches. Then make 5 incomplete half double crochet in each of 5 stitches on the top of the previous incomplete half double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the last one, 5. Okay, now yarn over, pull it through 3 loops, 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 yarn over, pull it through 3 loops again, yarn over, pull it through all loops to complete the third pattern. To make it longer, you just need to repeat the same patterns until you get the length you desire. I got the length I desire. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 incomplete half double crochet cluster. At the last part, I will chain 1 and I will make 1 slip stitch in each of the stitches on the top of the previous incomplete half double crochet. This is what it looks like. It's almost complete, but it's not yet complete. Okay, now I will cut the yarn. Finally, I'm gonna attach the button here. This is the last part of this pattern, so I know everyone can do this. Okay, now this amazing fast mask adapter is ready. You can try it yourself at home. You can use any type of yarn you like as long as the yarn is suitable with your crochet hook. I believe that you can make these patterns even better than this one. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day and happy crochet!